Bia Kamal kijan gwasme ban lerme bana jeling lerme togare wecha ka South Sudan ken kono niam rei rochana ban linga jan gwasme mi jirama jidit gorje en wo jender jan ywaka nasin ko ken ko de ler ti kan chamala shib gwasentin gor kon ken wo de koten ban rochme bana je kwen kel take a match mi sharan wo shitwok ke match mi shidwel chaka wang re wika South Sudan ko ko la wang re win dangro ka South Sudan en gwada dana wanga tin chala do she dulde shop ka jen jogude kel chaka wang wi kone man mo wang dulde jen dang jogude kel anyo da je gwano kan dulde to chaka dot gwa kel ki shika tie karodian ano dulde jen dang jogude kel ka got dang rawti che wang en gwada dana che majje mo che wang tin chala do shi ram kel che liu ram mo e wut gwada dana pen maitin chimnen yen mo gwasama rigame toga kanosen bargazal chala de kume no maje me wajen tugo rode ka wäär ka dobrana chalat keje tugo rode wäär la dobna dul kel cho wojen gwasama cho dor ko ken cho wo dop no ngai kona la maj mi che tuog mi ga dul thieek la maj la we la reta la dul ko ken la ka wanga mo gore gwano kan dul yani ke dul konte la moy ke widien moy ka ma chemene gore jen wo de maj de ja nan ke je chir dul konen thieek ten konten dong de maj mo der chupten ke chiran che de ben ka tuk ja te be la do gwada mo no tang gwen wan la mala wang long ke gwada konten te tung ne ten ko gwatung ne la jana crowded long ka dul tung wan beje kwenye gwasame ka tuk english ka gwadan chai gorten Northern Bargazal government has reported two separate fire incidents on Saturday and Sunday in Awil town. We left a mandate, 2 hospitalized and a dozen of us razed to the ground. Director of Civil Defense Colonel William Scholl said the first incident was of a house that caught fire in the middle of the night at along Wurkej Payam on February 1, killing a 38-year-old man and leaving 2 others with severe burns. There were some 3 men who stayed in a room. After going to sleep during the night at 11 or 12 o'clock, the fire was blown from where it was by wind to spread to the grass thatch, he said. The fire burned their house at night while they were sleeping and 1 died. The same time and 2 others got burned injuries that was one of this month. Should report that second incident took place on Sunday, February 2, consuming 31 hours in Awil town and killing a pet with no human casualty reported. According to him, Sunday inferno started from a kitchen left unattended by a woman cooking inside a thatch hut. This led to the fire that burned down a number of properties. He said committee has been formed to investigate the damage caused by fire while appealing for assistance to the people who lost their properties. Chol further say they are concerned over the rampant occurrence of fire incidents and encourage good building habit to protect home from fire outbreaks. It happened last year in Maper that fire destroyed some shops and houses. Also in Mashar Kunyuk in December destroyed 30 plus houses and destroyed properties of civilians inherited. We do make some awareness to the people that when they build, they should make a good foundation with a raised wall of at least 1 meter before placing grass to control the fire. That is our advice to them. I'm going to make a reality to wang ti to kwa na le jogono la re kedul to go ki ko kan en match en tema kan kedul wang ti no gwasam en tema kedul to mo lo bu mal bi do bi ban pinya ken ye gak man mi ben pinya ken ye gak ngum ken ye yen ngum la to ba ngang ba je lo lok ba ngan ba ka wang kan ne ti gwen man ci ke to ga gwasami wa mai la kana ben pinya nam we ka yebo mi te mai le na ben pinya ne ko ken kon kelinga tung na gor jeno jin shi match ci je biya ben pinya pede bi ja ge ke bi yen ko match la to gotan wan la kana chuptin ka war so ko kuje mo je le dana gora de nywa ka ye kel an biya te mal ban le jëm do den baba